Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quicken for small business. Start by setting up your business accounts in Quicken, separating personal and business finances. Accurately categorize all income and expenses to ensure clear financial records. Link your bank and credit card accounts for seamless, automatic transaction downloads, saving you valuable time. Finally, establish a detailed budget to monitor your spending and track progress toward your financial objectives, ensuring your business stays on a healthy financial path. Effectively track all your business income, whether from sales, services, or other sources. Meticulously log every business expense, from office supplies to utility bills, to maintain precise records. Utilize tags for more detailed analysis, allowing you to categorize expenses beyond standard categories. Remember to reconcile your accounts regularly, ideally weekly or bi-weekly, to catch any discrepancies and ensure your financial data is always accurate. Quicken helps you generate essential financial reports, like profit and loss statements, to understand your business's performance. Regularly review cash flow reports to monitor money coming in and going out, ensuring liquidity. Create custom reports to analyze spending trends, identifying areas for potential savings or investment. With all your data organized, preparing for tax season becomes much simpler, saving you time and reducing stress. Explore Quicken's advanced features, such as inventory tracking, if your business sells products. Efficiently manage invoices and track customer payments to ensure timely revenue collection. If your business has investments, Quicken can help you monitor their performance. Most importantly, always back up your Quicken data regularly, perhaps once a week, to protect your financial information from any unforeseen issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.